The automotive industry is on the brink of a revolution. As concerns about climate change and resource depletion escalate, the need for sustainable transportation solutions has never been greater. Green technology is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Innovative companies are rising to the challenge, developing groundbreaking technologies that promise a cleaner, greener future. Frayon Accelerator Cars, a startup from the bustling tech hub of Jadavpur, Kolkata, is at the forefront of this revolution, poised to redefine mobility as we know it. Frayon Accelerator Cars is not just another electric car company. It's a beacon of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of human-machine interaction. Their groundbreaking technology centers around a unique approach to car control, utilizing brain signals and eye movements to empower drivers with an unprecedented level of control and freedom. This revolutionary concept has the potential to transform the driving experience, particularly for individuals with physical disabilities, opening up a world of possibilities and independence. At the helm of Frayon Accelerator Cars is Rohan Sarker, a young entrepreneur with a passion for innovation and a vision for a more inclusive future. Driven by a desire to create technology that empowers individuals, Rohan's journey began in the vibrant tech scene of Jadavpur. It was here, amidst the collaborative spirit of innovation, that the concept for Frayon Accelerator Cars was born. Rohan's unwavering belief in the power of technology to drive positive change is at the heart of Frayon's mission. Central to Frayon's technology is the Jaco Robot, a cutting-edge robotic arm renowned for its precision and versatility. Developed by Canova Robotics, the Jaco Robot acts as an extension of the driver's will, seamlessly translating brain signals and eye movements into precise vehicle control. This sophisticated integration of robotics and neuroscience sets Frayon apart, showcasing the immense potential of interdisciplinary collaboration in driving technological advancements. Section 5. EEG-EOG, Harnessing the Power of the Mind. Frayon Accelerator Cars employs a sophisticated combination of EEG, which is electroencephalography, and EOG, or electrooculography, technologies to read and interpret the driver's brain signals and eye movements. These advanced technologies allow for a seamless interaction between the driver and the vehicle, creating a more intuitive and responsive driving experience. EEG, using a non-invasive cap fitted with sensors, captures the electrical activity in the brain, providing a real-time map of the driver's cognitive state and intentions. This technology is crucial for understanding how the driver is feeling and what they are thinking, while EOG, through strategically placed electrodes around the eyes, tracks eye movements with remarkable accuracy. This allows the system to understand where the driver is looking and what they are focusing on, adding another layer of interaction. This data, rich with intent and direction, is then processed by Frayon's proprietary algorithms, which are designed to interpret these complex signals and convert them into meaningful actions, effectively translating thoughts and eye movements into actionable commands for the car. This innovative approach not only enhances the driving experience, but also opens up new possibilities for the future of autonomous and semi-autonomous vehicles, making driving safer and more efficient. Section 6. Empowering the differently abled, a drive towards independence. The implications of Frayon's technology for the differently abled community are profound. For individuals with limited mobility, the ability to control a car using only their thoughts and eye movements is life-changing. It represents a giant leap towards independence, enabling them to experience the freedom of mobility on their own terms. Frayon Accelerator Cars is not just about building cars. It's about building futures, breaking down barriers, and empowering individuals to live life to the fullest. Section 7. Frayon's funding needs. Fueling the future of mobility. As Frayon Accelerator Cars prepares to revolutionize the automotive industry, securing the necessary funding is crucial. You see, the development and refinement of this groundbreaking technology require significant investment. Frayon is actively seeking investors who share their vision for a future where mobility is accessible to all. These funds will be instrumental in supporting research and development, scaling up production, and bringing Frayon's innovative cars to market, ushering in a new era of inclusive and sustainable transportation. Section 8. Transforming Industries. A ripple effect of innovation. The journey of innovation often starts with a single idea, but its impact can ripple across multiple sectors, transforming industries in ways we never imagined. The impact of Frayon's technology extends far beyond the automotive industry. It is a catalyst for change, driving advancements in numerous fields. The fusion of robotics, neuroscience, and artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, making treatments more precise and personalized. Assistive technology is another area where Frayon's innovations shine, offering new possibilities for those who need it most. Imagine a world where individuals with disabilities can interact with their environment in completely new ways, enhancing their quality of life and independence. From controlling prosthetic limbs with their minds, enabling more natural and intuitive movements, to operating smart homes with a glance, making everyday tasks easier and more accessible. Frayon's innovation is a testament to the power of technology to break down barriers, fostering a world where everyone can participate fully and create a more inclusive and accessible world for all, where technology serves as a bridge connecting people and possibilities in unprecedented ways. Section 9. A sustainable journey, paving the way for green mobility. Frayon Accelerator Cars is committed to sustainability, recognizing the urgent need for eco-friendly transportation solutions. Their cars are designed with a focus on energy efficiency, minimizing their environmental impact without compromising performance. By embracing electric power and pioneering green technologies, Frayon is paving the way for a future where mobility is synonymous with sustainability, ensuring a cleaner and healthier planet for generations to come. Section 10. Supporting innovation. Investing in a brighter future. In today's rapidly evolving world, innovation is the key to unlocking a brighter, more sustainable future. Frayon Accelerator Cars represents the spirit of innovation at its finest. Their commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive technology is truly inspiring. Their groundbreaking technology has the potential to revolutionize the automotive industry, empower the differently abled community, and redefine what we know about transportation. By focusing on green energy solutions and eco-friendly production methods, they are paving the way for a more sustainable future. Supporting such innovative ventures is not just an investment opportunity, it's a chance to be part of something bigger, something transformative. It's an investment in a brighter future for all, where technology and sustainability go hand in hand. As we stand at the cusp of a new era in mobility, the choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. Let us embrace the power of innovation, recognize the potential it holds to transform our lives. By supporting companies like Frayon Accelerator cars, we are not just investing in technology, we are investing in a vision of a more inclusive, accessible, and sustainable world. Together, we can drive progress and create a future that benefits everyone.